What's good, guys? We're off to a special location and we are driven by UCMH Isuzu Umhlanga. So make sure you check out the journey to see where I'm actually going. Masambi.
Who you know do it better than C4. C4 the cooking husband. Better know.
Guys, kudala sendleleni about like what 2.5 hours, but yeah, so figure. We just passed by Mtuba, grabbed some few ingredients for what I'm gonna make. Keep guessing there. But hint in inyama, of course. But yeah, it's been real. It's been a nice drive, comfortable. The car is really nice. That's all I can say. Comfortable, like ihleli endleleni, as you can see, and ihamba kakuhle. I don't have any fault. Speed sayo. Though I'm sticking to the speed limits. Michael Schumacher, but yeah. But so far it's been a beautiful day. I'm actually looking forward to the final destination, which is keep guessing there. I think cars, like a comfortable car and a beautiful car, makes Oganya completes a road trip. I don't know what you say. We can have a poll there and you guys let me know. But I think it just adds that thing when you have a really nice, comfortable car. Stress, as you can see now, I'm relaxed. So yeah, it's that thing. And also you'll see, let's figure out at the final destination. It's something that I think I don't do often, but yeah, it's I feel like it's but yeah, I mustn't spill the secret. But yeah, you're gonna see when I get there. It's really something that I don't do often. Okay, guys, as you can see, gravel road. We are almost there. Good secret location or final destination. Yeah, so which is, I think we're like 2-3 kilometers away. And oh, actually, we are here. Yo, Sfigi. We're finally here, guys. So after a nice drive, it was not too long, less than 4 hours, I think. Yeah. So yeah, masame so check in spawn ba isiphathele ndoni le ndawo. Yes, step inside. I know. All the check-in is done. Sfigile, as you can see, nature, polylemon, tranquility, everything is perfect. And nibonile kubasipi Daika Game Reserve, which is located at KZN, Hluhluwe region. Now, I think I'm ready to just eat. And they said banenyama for me, so I'm looking forward to that. So far, it's been good. The drive was smooth, was perfect. The staff is really welcoming. So checking in, as you can see, feel at home. And we have an amazing person who's showing us the place, Usfiso Apetaika. So now we're just ready to eat. So on the menu, I think they said there was oxtail or pasta. Panzenda Natata, the opposite. So oxtail, definitely. This is where we explore, show you places, beautiful places in Mzansi, where you guys can also visit. And I just take you guys along with me. So welcome, day one. Tomorrow we're exploring more things. Sibon Daika, what it has to offer us. For now, maskieni guys, kube mandi, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment button. Danko. It's not like a big chunk. Okay. I wish chef keep now. This is oxtail, really nice and hearty. And then there's I think it's like a veggie couscous with like peppers, and then nice roasted seasonal veggies. So yeah, this is supper for tonight. When sorry, let's dig in for now. Then I'll tell you after eating how it is. Guys, good day to namhlanje niyabona sivukile, and I'm sure you saw the beautiful sunrise footage. Lindau is taking me back actually ngati it's a farmer at that time. But yeah, and today as day 2, yeah, we had like plans to shoot somewhere nice because at Daika they told us there's this special place, but because of the weather niyabona nani it's acting up, but we have plan B, so we're gonna use the deck to actually do something special. But yeah, keep watching to see banzokwenzani. Let's do day 2 together. Danko. Today I am making a burger inspired by one of my recipes, the cookbook, latest cookbook, which was a C for the Cooking Husband Volume 2. And I was like, because we are here at Daika, you can see the view is beautiful, so I'm going to be doing it outdoors, as you can see nani, and also give them a taste of usifo utumengani. Masenzenge guys, a quick and easy burger, but that's really scrumptious. So right in front of me I have a bowl. I've already washed my hands. So here it's a regular means here I have like a barbecue steak and chop seasoning kind of going on, like mix it up, but you can use whatever you have just to give it flavor. And then here, just to give it a spicy kick, I have Cajun seasoning. So Cajun is really nice, so yeah, happy with that. And then I have salt and pepper. So the idea here, some will ask, why don't you add eggs or breadcrumbs? I still want to taste that beef, but there's nothing wrong with adding breadcrumbs and your eggs to just make the burgers form a nice shape. And we're also adding like salt. So these are going on a grill, so if you're also going to be maybe doing them on your pan, you can of course season them whilst they're in the pan, but yeah, today I'm just going to do this. Then we use our hands to just mix things together, and this is where the magic happens. So here we just wanna, but don't over mix. This looks fine. I think I just want to add more seasoning just to, yeah, now it looks proper, perfect and proper. Perfect. So this is more like giving us a smashed burger, so make sure it's like nice and stretch to create a surface area. And then I'll show you, I have a cheddar, oh no, this is Gouda cheese, but you can use any cheese. I have a cheese that's, but here you can use any cheese that you prefer. You don't have to use the specific one that I use, so any cheese will work. And also you can control this based on your preference. If you want it thinner, you can make it thinner. If you want it thicker, just like me, you can make it thicker. So I'll do a variation, but right now let's get going with other patties. Okay guys, Preston yam, I think it's ready, and now I'm gonna be doing like a bacon. So the idea here is to make a nice spicy mayo with bacon. So imagine beef patty which has been stuffed with cheese nibonile, and then I'm just gonna crisp up the bacon so that I can add it to the spicy mayo sauce. Man, delicious. Ooh. Here, for a sauce here too, we have a mayo. Can use creamy, tangy, and then I have a nice brie sauce here. As I say, you can use any sauce that you prefer. So this is nice and spicy, but not too hot. Okay, so this is parsley, just to give it color. In goes the parsley. All right, so now we're just gonna give it a stir. And you can see the color is nice and rich, and it's just gonna make a beautiful, beautiful base for Ibeka here too. And the sauce is ready, and you can see the sauce is ready. Nice and chunky, still getting nice bacon bits, a little bit of that parsley. It's nice and rustic. So just this burger is really going to be banging, guys. So yeah. Hey, usifiso ungijoyinile uzocheck ukuthi hamba kanjani. This is Sifiso, right?
Ngiyaphila
Yeah.
Sifo, yeah.
Ngitake over i-lodge yenu la.
Yeah, ngiyabona since from yesterday.
Yeah.
I've been busy.
Kodwa in a good way,
Yeah,
ne?
in a good way, of course.
I-collaboration
yeah.
right le. So yeah.
Yeah, siyayithanda nathi le nto le yenzakalayo.
Yeah,
It's
perfect.
very nice to have you.
Ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga.
Normally, I'm a big follower of your work.
Aye, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, so immediately when I heard that you are coming this side.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Wow, okay.
Hayi ke usuku lufikile.
Yeah, lufikile.
Sozodudle manje ungaboni
Yeah,
kuphela.
so it's almost 2-1 now, so
Yeah.
I'm hoping ukuthi sizodla manje.
Yeah, ihamba kahle bon. If
Yeah.
you can see,
Yeah, ihlangene.
nginibethela ama-bag
Yeah,
ano-cheese phakathi.
cheese phakathi.
So yeah.
Hayi, siyabonga.
Yeah, ziyalunga ama-burger enu. So just utshela abantu nje i-Daica indawo enjani, kwenziwani abantu banga-expectani mabe la.
Of course, yeah. So Daica is a small lodge. Very intimate. So if you want to relax, this is the place to come.
Bonile nami.
Yeah.
Ngibonile yeah.
Because our vibe is not like ukuthi indawo enomsindo and all that. Indawo nje pholile, if you want to relax and recharge,
All right.
you can come this side. Sikhona. And then also Daica is still a new lodge because they only established it in 2017.
All right, okay.
So it's a family-owned lodge.
All right.
And then they only started to welcome guests 2020.
Okay. When I was starting my thing.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Then they also
These
started
signs they are aligned.
they only
Right.
started to welcome guests in 2020. But
Okay.
unfortunately for them, then there was COVID.
COVID, yeah.
And then they had to shut down.
Oh, okay.
And then the business was low. And then they reopened again in 2022.
Okay.
And then it's been going very nicely, picking up very
that's
nicely.
good to
So our main guests that we normally host, overseas guests,
All right.
Germans and the Netherlands, the Belgium, the French.
Okay. So
but-
it vast.
Yes.
Ni
But,
international.
Yeah, international. But kumnandi ukuthi nama South Africans asiyafika.
Okay,
Which is
like
good.
teen.
Yes, especially black
All right.
guests.
Okay.
So kumnandi ke because ikhombisa ukuthi lodge yethu iyakhula and it's growing nicely.
No, but I deserve. I think Lendau, when I came here yesterday, I was like, yeah, inhle.
Yeah.
And ipholile uyayibona
Ipholile,
ukuthi
ipholile.
akutatazelwa la.
Kakhulu.
But
Into ihamba
nature khona,
ngepace-
yeah.
ngepace emnandi, yeah, hamba ngepace emnandi.
Bone kodwa ninazo nezilwanyane around like
Yes,
city.
yeah, we do. Even though we don't have like a big five,
Yeah.
but we do have some like different
Boni.
species of animals.
All right.
Yeah,
Which is tomorrow I'm going to tell Sakon.
yeah. Tomorrow,
Tomorrow we'll
we
drive
check
a-
the weather if a morning drive or
Hopefully right.
yeah,
Unlike today.
exactly. And then so Puma out in Gubonisi, Ilwane,
All right.
and the whole area and all that. Yeah,
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I think it's about.
Yabona bizohamba kakuhle lento Mr. Sifiso. Mina ngizokupha ukudla nihle nive kamandi
Yeah.
and then nina ningibonise ukuthi
Bonisa
injani guys.
umhlaba, yeah.
But yeah, thank you
Bonisa
Mr.
umhlaba.
Sibisa.
Siyabonga kakhulu,
I cannot
Mr.
wait for you guys
Sipho.
to come and taste
Yeah,
i-burger zodumo.
Exactly. Hayi, siyabonga, Mr. Sipho,
Sure,
siyabonga
Mr.
kakhulu.
Sibisa.
Awuzwe.
I think I'm happy with this. And now we just need to place the buns just to collect the nice juices from a burger patty and then to make them crispy. I mean, with a burger, it's always nice when it's crispy. And of course, people ask me why there's no butter. We're using what we have, so if you have butter, you can spread it just to give it that nice golden color. But today we're just gonna be doing the char from the frame. Danko. Okay, guys, ready to assemble our burger. The bun yetu is nice and crispy, as you can see. So, grabbing some of that bacon. What do I call this? Bacon, spicy bacon mayo sauce. Okay, spicy bacon mayo sauce. And then we're just gonna dish that. Remember, we're in a game lodge, so everything is gonna look rustic. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then some of that nice juicy cheesy patty. A greenness. But yeah, this will do. And a little bit of that pepper. And just a little bit of salt. And then to finish it off, you take the top part, smear some of that sauce. You must get the sauce on both sides. And voila, our burger is ready. And we close it and we eat. Double cheese burger with a spicy bacon mayo sauce. Hey, Mr. Swiss.
Hayi, Mr.
Nansi ibhega ithi iyafika ixesha lokuba utaste le nto kudala uyibona on the media, so yeah,
course.
ndiyibiza ngoba kuthiwa yintoni bendithe igama layo i-double cheeseburger spicy bacon mayo.
Okay.
Nintsi ezile
Yeah.
amagama, but yeah, but masitye
Okay, ake sizwe.
manithemba uzoyi-enjoy.
Hayi, ake sizwe, ake sizwe, ake sizwe. Mr.
Sizwa.
Sipho. Ihamba njani?
Siphatheleni. Kuyalunywa ke apha kudlala. Hey, nkulu.
Hayi. Enkulu kodwa is worth it.
Yeah. So,
It's worth it.
uyayivuma?
Hayi, mnandi. Hayi, mnandi.
Awusho ngoba uphambi kwami?
No. Angithenga amehlo akho.
Zobona makusiya ibite yesibini. Ubanyani. But yeah.
Angithenga amehlo akho.
Hayi man.
Hayi, yavuma.
Fana noshizi.
Yeah, phakathi.
Uyambona? So, uba ngathiwa ke i-rate ningayenza le mhlambe i-special kuthiwe noyifaka kumenu for abantu.
Yeah, of course. Let's ngayifaka.
Hayi ke.
Yeah, I can give it a 9 out of 10.
Awu.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthi ngishayile. Hayi
Simphinde,
Mr.
simphinde.
Happy. Danko. Hayi masiyo-enjoy ke ngoku. Amakhamera sicela sishiye. Sike siyodla kahle. Nawe ke ekhaya uyitry le burger ubonile ukuthi hamba phambili. Asibonge. Right guys, namhlanje sizojonga ekitchen uba what are they cooking here at Daika. It's day 2 and yesterday the food was really good, but namhlanje masibone ba bayenza kanjani. Follow me. Molweni.
Molo chef.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Why not you scared nje?
Hayi andikho scared.
Awukho scared?
Ekhaya. Oh, ndizoyibiswa yintoni?
Hayi-ke. Thank you chef for welcoming us ekitchen lakho.
Ewe tata.
Just introduce yourself, chef bani.
Okay, ndinguZimbini Phephu from Bizana.
All right.
So ndibizwa ngochef Zimi.
Okay. And then how long have you been working here at Daika okanye just as a chef journey yakho nje?
As a chef in general, it's been 6 years.
Oh,
but
okay.
then at Daika, it's only been 8 months.
Okay.
Yes.
So how are you finding it? So far so good.
So far so good, even though the pressure is on.
Is it?
Because I've never run a la carte station all by myself.
Oh, is it?
But then, yeah.
So yeah, but I'm sure you're up for a challenge.
Ooh,
But
every
you're doing
single
well.
day.
Yesterday the food was nice. Not saying because you are my umkaya, but really the food was really nice. That oxtail was
Thank you
yeah.
so much.
So
Thank
yeah,
you so much.
namhlanje walk us through what are you making for us?
So for my menu today, starter sethu, it's caramelized onion with bruschetta.
Okay.
So kahle kahle, I use shea butter bread.
Okay.
So it's olive shea butter bread, toasted, and I always butter it with Caesar dressing, and then
Okay.
so it will balance the bitterness of the balsamic vinaigrette. And then my main, it's pork rib with roasted butternut and
Okay.
Hawaiian stir fry, and the second option is the chicken cordon bleu.
All right.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
And then for dessert, it's lemon cheesecake, as normal.
As
Chef.
Oh, you like your cheesecake?
I love a cheesecake.
All right. So we're eating your favorite dessert.
Yes.
For some odd reason, I'm a sweet tooth person, but I just like cake and ice cream. But when it comes to other things, I'm very picky. So like a
Picky.
trifle and stuff, I usually do not.
Did not eat.
Yeah, not eat, but they eat if there's a.
For
there,
me,
but yeah.
I do collabs with my ukutya kwam.
Uh-huh.
When I come to this steak, like it's either a fillet or red meat. I always go with chocolate souffle because it
Oh.
balances out the taste
The
so
taste.
well. So
Are
with
we
the-
gonna have that maybe tomorrow? We don't
It's a
know.
surprise.
All right. I'm always up for your surprises. So,
a
chef, let's
surprise.
not waste your time. Thank you so
Okay.
much for allowing us a kitchen lako. Do your magic. Now I'm just gonna watch whilst you do your
Ubulela
magic.
mna ke mkhaya.
I get. So yeah, guys, I'm excited for tonight's dinner because the chef Zimbini, yeah, he's got some surprises, and I think the main is what I'm looking forward to because I ordered the pork belly, and the way she described what it's gonna have, sounds like it's gonna be. But yeah, for now, he starts as Sieza, as you have seen, and then main, and then after that, eat dessert. So, Jamandi, guys. Okay. Go on to something. Yum. My favorite.
Who you know do it better than C4. Sit for the cooking.
Okay.
Better known as Mr. Nyamari. Sit for the cooking.
Perfect. Chef, yanibona uba ndinikhulule izipho. Space. The
Like
food.
good food.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The food was really good.
Thank you.
We are paying. So yeah. Stamp of
Okay.
approval. Thing.
Round of
Not that
applause.
you needed it, but yeah, no.
I needed it.
We really enjoyed the
I
meal.
really needed
You really
it.
need.
I
okay.
needed it.
Thank you so much. So main, I think for me, I don't know, highlight everything because even the dessert for some odd reason. Remember I told you cheesecake, but
Yeah.
my plate was empty. So main, let's talk about the main. Like so the pork belly, pork rib situation. What was there? What's the sauce? And we also had a nice Hawaiian salad. So
Okay,
Talk us through.
For my main, since it's 2 sets of mains,
mhm.
pork belly, as we know, it takes too long to cook.
Okay.
So it's 2 hours in the oven.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I use our normal spices rubs, and then I just
Secret
put it-
Z spice.
But again, in that secret, I always add love because
Alright.
whatever I do it with love. So
That's good.
it was in the oven for 2 hours, around 4 p.m. up until 6.
No, you could taste it.
Yes. And then the last step was soya and honey glaze.
Oh, okay, yeah. So
it made
that's
it
the color.
the basting and the color.
All right.
And then
And you could still taste the crackling. So you also mastered the crackling, so which was good. You won our hearts with that. But okay, thank you so much for the good food. Wishing you all the best in your career.
thank you so
Flourish, and I'm sure you're still gonna. I'm not saying you're gonna leave Daika. I don't wanna be their bet, but
For growth.
the way you cook it, you can tell it's really from the
going-
soul. Yeah,
it's
we're
going-
actually discussing and saying the flavors. Even the oxtail yesterday, you could taste that it's like cooked from the soul. It's not just.
it's not just
A
an
chef,
oxtail
just- yeah.
for a chef who just cooks.
So yeah, thank you so much, and yeah, all the best.
Thank you so
Did
much,
so
guys.
if my wife comes,
like
I go back home and my wife asks me why the gainile. You have to-
ungafuni
you answer.
because we're obhekayo uyayazi uba i-braai master nguwe. You cannot put me there.
Okay, thanks guys. Let's leave Uzi. It's been great. I think we're closing off tonight. Tomorrow we have an interesting game drive. So I'm guessing bona izilwanyana. Hopefully ndingaqheli kuthiwa zityiwe zalapha izilwanyana guys. So yeah, so sibuka nje qha. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next segment.